$119.75.
Good.
1,119.75.
That's correct.
So I am going to add it to my previous principal, which now becomes $15,116.54.
Mm-hmm.
54 cents.
Mm-hmm.
I got $15,116.54. I got times that by 8.
Yeah.
I get $120,932.32. So I got divide that by 100.
Okay.
Get $1,209.32.
Uh-huh. How much years ago already?
That would be my 4th year.
Okay.
So I'm going to add that to my previous principal.
Mm-hmm.
So 15,116.54 plus 1,209.32 equal to 16,325.86 cents.
Okay.
Mega times that by 8.
Well, how much years ago now?
Now I look go for the 5 year now.
Okay.
Times that by 8 equal to 130,606.88 cents. May I divide that by 100? We get $1,306.06.
06 cents.
Yes.
So what you supposed to do now?
Them ask you for calculate the compound interest earned.
Mm-hmm.
So me go add up all of the interest them for the 5 year.
Mm-hmm.
Just so 960 plus 1,036.80 plus 1,119.75 plus 1,209.32 plus 1306.06 equal to $5,631.93.
Okay.
Sir, and me put 5,000